Today we want to take a look at how easy and quick it is to configure a Tester 184 data logger. Therefore, we simply take off the USB cap of our data logger and plug it into the USB slot of our computer. After a few seconds, a window opens and we can just simply double-click the configuration file. There is no installation and no download required. All you need is a PDF reader. You can select the language of your configuration. You can choose between an expert and an assistant mode, and you have to select the data logger model you are using. After you've done all the configuration in here, you export the configuration to an XML file, which you save on the data logger itself. As you can see, the XML file was created and your data logger is already configured. If you want to configure several different data loggers with the same configuration file, all you have to do is to drag and drop the XML file onto your data logger. This is the Tester 184, and today we show you how easy it is to read it out. Therefore, we'd simply take off the USB cap and plug in the logger into our computer. After you've plugged in your logger, a window opens which shows you your USB data logger's drive, and you can double-click on the report PDF. Here you see the complete measurement report of your data logger, and you get some general information about the device, you get information about the device's configuration, and you get some statistics for each channel, including MKT calculation. You are informed if there has been an alarm or not, which is very important, and if you want to see something about single alarm limits, you get some statistics in here. At the end, you also get a graph which helps you to visualize the measured data. To separate different sections of the transport, it might make sense to set a time mark. To do that, simply press the start button with a running data logger for a few seconds, and the time mark is set. Later in the final PDF report, you can see your time marks with the exact date and time. Also, the time marks are indicated in the graph by this small triangle. If you want to deactivate the time mark function, you can do this in the configuration PDF. The data logger Tester 184 can be very easily integrated into your logistic processes. On the back side of the housing you see a barcode which represents the unique serial number of the data logger. To connect the data logger to your packages, we recommend the use of double-sided self-adhesive tape. The immersions on the side housing of the data logger enable you to use a cable binder and easily connect the data logger to your boxes.